Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet cushion cover designs, different color, different designs, combinations also, same color also in front of you. For most beautiful and creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection, most attractive and most amazing collection. I hope you like this collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful, trendy and also stylish, so I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet cushion cover designs and others like crochet bed sheets, crochet sofa cover designs, pillow cover designs, curtains, and many more like crochet women outfit ideas like crochet women, long dresses, short dresses, bodycon and skirt dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses, and crochet women skirt designs, crochet women scarf, flowering scarf, and baby collection like crochet baby frog designs, baby romper designs, baby shoes, baby cap, woman cap, men cap, and in jewelry, crochet woman necklace designs, earring designs, bracelet designs, and finger rings and anklet designs, baby anklets, many more things. You can contact me anytime when a beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection.